Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy S24 Plus is now here at Straight Talk for $999.99 for the 256GB version, I believe, or it's $41.67 a month for 24 months for Smart Pay, and it's available in black. So there is the Galaxy S24 Plus. Very nice looking phone. It looks like any other recent Samsung flagship phone, of course. So if you guys are a fan of the design, this is the phone for you. So anyways, you guys will have your whole point display, front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone is of course your triple camera system, camouflage Samsung logo. Epic, just like that. Introducing Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Now with Galaxy AI that is built to provide you with a more personal, useful, and secure mobile experience than ever before. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus has the ability to handle numerous tasks, from capturing precious moments, being the ultimate productivity tool. It can handle hours of fun with powerful gaming performance. So that is very cool. There is the Galaxy S24 Plus front and back, a very nice looking phone. Specs: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus has up to 31 hours of video playback time, up to 92 hours of audio playback time. You get 4G LTE and 5G, of course, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, ACAX and whatnot, CDMA, obviously, Verizon towers. Dimensions on the Galaxy S24 Plus: 6.24 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. You will have a 6.7 inch Super AMOLED 2x Quad HD Plus display with the 120Hz refresh rate there. So yeah, I don't know why it says QHD Plus and then Full HD Plus. I guess you have the option between both screen resolutions, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure that you have options for both screen resolutions on this phone. So pretty cool. So anyways, you guys will have 3 cameras on the back, like I mentioned earlier. 50 megapixel wide camera, that's your main camera, plus a 12 megapixel ultra wide, plus a 10 megapixel telephoto camera lens on back. And then you have a 12 megapixel front facing camera. The battery up on 4G LTE is up to 26 hours. Wi-Fi usage up to 27 hours, Bluetooth 5.3, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chips up there, GPS obviously. Your talk time, I just went over that on the battery specs. 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. And the Galaxy S24 Plus weighs 6.91 ounces. What comes with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is, of course, your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus smartphone, Type-C to Type-C data cable, quick start guide, so just send stuff in the box there. Features: circle to search with Google, search any image, video or text on your screen, circle, highlight, scribble or tap to pinpoint what you are curious about, do screenshots necessary. Generative edit: turn every photo into a praiseworthy masterpiece. Move or remove objects, fill in empty space with generative edit. High resolution: share every detail of life's most shareworthy moments in natural, true-to-life color with the high-resolution camera of Galaxy S24 series. Note Assist: capture the details in your notes and let Note Assist do the hard work of summarizing, formatting, and even translating them for you. Live Translate: speak foreign languages on the spot, right from inside the Samsung phone app with Live Translate. So very nice features there. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is now here at Straight Talk for $999.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys are looking to get a Samsung flagship smartphone on Straight Talk, The Galaxy S24 Plus is worth taking a look at here. Very nice looking phone. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you have smiled a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.